Hello YouTube, my name is Scott Perdue. I'm an Amazon author of over 100 books, tons of Christian books, self-help books out there for you, wonderful stuff. Next time you're on Amazon, go to the search bar, type in my name, Scott Perdue, pull up all those wonderful options, there's tons of them, scroll down, find some that are suitable to you, add them to cart, get them in transit right away. There's life-changing wisdom there for you. Definitely want that in your life. Anyway, today I'm going to go over a book I'd recently published called Rising from the Ashes, How to Rebuild When Life Falls Apart. Today's lesson is about the role of support systems. When life falls apart, it can feel isolating, as though you're left to navigate the wreckage on your own. Yet, one of the most transformative aspects of rebuilding is recognizing that you don't have to go it alone. Support systems, whether they include family, friends, mentors, or professional resources, play a pivotal role in helping you rebuild, find courage, and rediscover your strength amidst pain. This chapter explores the significance of supportive relationships, offers guidance for cultivating a positive framework, and empowers you to rewrite your story by leaning on the strength of those around you. The importance of seeking help and building a network. Human beings are wired for connection. During adversity, a strong support system provides emotional, mental, and even practical assistance. Seeking help isn't a sign of weakness. It's an act of courage and self-awareness. Number one, why support systems matter. Support systems act as anchors in times of uncertainty. They provide reassurance, remind you of your worth, and offer guidance when you feel lost. Emotional support. Having someone to share your thoughts and feelings with reduces stress and alleviates the burden of carrying everything on your own. Practical assistance. Support networks can step in and help with tasks, offer advice, and connect you with resources that ease the rebuilding process. Encouragement and accountability. A supportive network motivates you to keep going and holds you accountable to your goals and aspirations. Number two, asking for help without guilt. One of the biggest hurdles to seeking support is the fear of being a burden. Yet most people who care about you want to help. Asking for help is an act of self-respect and a way to deepen connections with others. Actionable advice. Practice communicating your needs clearly. Instead of saying, I don't know what to do, try, I'm feeling overwhelmed and I'd appreciate your advice on this situation. How to rebuild a network of supportive relationships. Culminating a support system isn't about quantity, it's about quality. Surrounding yourself with positive, empathetic, and trustworthy individuals creates an environment where you can thrive. Number one, identifying key supporters. Think about people in your life who genuinely listen, offer encouragement, and respect your boundaries. These are individuals who can form the foundation of your support system. Example of supporters: family, those who understand you deeply and offer unconditional love. Friends, people who share your values and provide companionship. Mentors, individuals with experience who can offer guidance and perspective. Professionals, therapists, coaches, counselors, who can provide expert advice and safe space to process emotions. Actionable advice. Create a list of individuals you trust and consider how each person can support you. For example, one friend might be great for emotional conversations, while another excels at practical problem solving. Number two, expanding your circle. If your current network feels limited, seek opportunities to connect with new people. Expanding your circle introduces fresh perspectives and reinforces the idea that support is abundant. Actionable advice. Join a local or online community centered around shared interests or goals. Volunteer for causes that resonate with you, creating opportunities to meet like-minded individuals. Attend support groups for people facing similar challenges, recognizing and addressing toxic influences. While building a positive support system is crucial, it's equally important to identify and distance yourself from toxic influences. These are individuals or dynamics that drain your energy, undermine your confidence, and perpetuate negativity. Number one, identifying toxic relationships. Toxic relationships can be subtle and overt. Look for these red flags: constant criticism, individuals who belittle your efforts or dismiss your feelings, manipulation, people who use guilt or coercion to control your actions, lack of support, those who disappear during tough times and only prioritize their own needs. Number two, setting boundaries. Establishing boundaries protects your mental and emotional well-being. While it may feel uncomfortable at first, setting clear limits is an act of self-care. Actionable advice: practice assertive communication. For example, say, I value our relationship, but I need to take some space right now to focus on my healing. Number 3, replacing negativity with positivity. As you distance yourself from toxic influences, actively seek out relationships that uplift and empower you. Actionable advice: surround yourself with people who embody qualities you admire, such as kindness, resilience, or optimism. Harnessing the power of positivity in relationships. The energy and mindset of your support system influence your own perspective. Building a network of positive relationships reinforces hope, motivation, and resilience. Number 1, creating a circle of positivity. Identify individuals who inspire you, believe in your potential, and encourage growth. These relationships become a source of strength during difficult times. Actionable advice: spend more time with people who make you feel valued and understood. Limit interactions with those who constantly drain your energy and amplify negativity. Number 2, practice gratitude within relationships. Expressing gratitude for your support system strengthens connections and reminds you to the abundance of care in your life. Actionable advice: write thank you notes and verbally express appreciation to those who have supported you. For example, say, I really appreciate you listening to me and being there when I needed it most. Paying it forward. Support systems thrive when there's mutual care and respect. Offering help to others not only strengthens bonds but also reinforces your own sense of purpose. Actionable advice: look for small ways to support the people in your network, such as checking in, offering encouragement, or assisting with a task. Empowerment through support. A strong support system doesn't just help you survive adversity, it empowers you to thrive. The encouragement and resources provided by others remind you of your own strength and capability. Number 1, gaining perspective from trusted allies. Supportive relationships offer fresh perspectives and insights, helping you see possibilities you may have overlooked. Actionable advice: when facing a challenge, ask a trusted individual, how would you approach this situation? Their perspective may provide clarity and spark new ideas. Number 2, building confidence through encouragement. Hearing words of affirmation from others reinforces your belief in yourself. Their confidence in you becomes a catalyst for your own self-assurance. Actionable advice: keep a record of encouraging messages or compliments you've received. Revisit them whenever you need a boost. Your comeback story: rewriting your life through connection. Rebuilding after a setback is not a solo journey. It's a collective effort supported by the strength of your relationships. By embracing help, seeking positivity, and letting go of toxic influences, you create a foundation for your comeback story. Number 1, sharing your journey. Your story of overcoming adversity has the power to inspire others. Sharing your experiences fosters connection and reminds you to the progress you've made. Actionable advice: reflect on how your support system has contributed to your growth. Consider writing or speaking about your journey to encourage others. Moving forward with intentional relationships. As you rebuild, prioritize relationships that align with your values and aspirations. Surrounding yourself with supportive individuals ensures that your comeback story continues to unfold with strength and purpose. Actionable advice: regularly evaluate your relationships to ensure they remain sources of positivity and growth. Conclusion: how to rewrite your life after setbacks. Rewriting your life after setbacks begins with recognizing the power of connection. A strong support system anchors you during turbulent times, uplifts your spirit, and fuels your journey toward resilience and growth. By seeking help without guilt, surrounding yourself with positivity, and setting boundaries with toxic influences, you create an environment where healing and transformation become possible. Your comeback story is not just about overcoming adversity, it's about thriving through the strength of your relationships and the courage to embrace and support the support available to you. As you move forward, remember that you are never alone. Lean on your support system, offer kindness in return, and celebrate the connections that remind you of your worth and potential. Together, you rise from the ashes and create a life filled with hope, meaning, and empowerment. All right, that concludes today's lesson. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Anyway, again, my name is Scott Perdue. I'm an Amazon author of over 100 books, tons of Christian books, self-help books out there. Next time you're on Amazon, go to the search bar, type in my name, Scott Perdue, pull up all the wonderful options, scroll down, find some that are suitable for you. There's tons of options in there. Add those to cart. Get them in transit. There's life-changing wisdom there for you. Again, thank you for following me through this video today. Like and subscribe. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. Again, follow me through this series. It's a great series to learn a lot about rising from the ashes. Have a blessed day. Thank you very much.